Nice.
Hey, my name is Nala like the Lion King, and this is my channel, DBNaila done by Nala. So, like I said before, I'm going to go into my studio and finish it all today in one session. Well, probably tomorrow as well. But either way, I'm going to finish my studio because I'm tired of waiting. Haven't been able to do work, but I've gotten commissions, so I have to do my commission somewhere, basically. What I tend to do when it comes to my designing, because I'm not a designer, first off. You know when you can like really organize things, like you're like in this like whole zone, it's kind of like organize, and it's just kind of like look outside, it's like, oh, it's a squirrel. And so you just sit at the squirrel and just kind of envisioning if the squirrel had the family. And so basically I'm just saying, I get distracted a lot, you guys. So I have to have like everything written out for me so I can remember where my thoughts were going. So like usually when I organize things, because I really wait till they get messy and then I organize them to a T because it's just kind of like satisfying for my brain, I guess. So this is basically what I'm worried about because I started working on my studio like I said before, and then in 2 days, it looks like a wreck. Would you like to see it? Yeah, remember when I was doing all that good stuff? Look at this. Like what? Like what? Yeah, it's bad, y'all. It's bad. So I drew everything out for the most part. I think what I want to do is, while you see my whole process behind this, I'm gonna go ahead and hang some paintings up. I have my command strips. Wait, I think I have my command strips. Do I have my command strips? Let's find out if I have my command strips. Okay, give me 3 seconds. Okay, I see them, never mind. Okay, I'm back. I got my command strips I got from Amazon. And there's a bunch of them. So, I know it's not called for. Oh. Bro, the fact that it's just kind of easily opened. I'm gonna start putting some art up. I'm gonna start on this wall here because it's the most bare. This whole thing needs love. That's what I say when I teach my paint classes. I'm like, these sides need some love. If that's that area, there's still more space back there. Yeah, I'm gonna just start putting some paintings up. Enjoy. I'm watching Avatar for therapy. It's my therapy homework. And then you gotta get this. Then you gotta put this down.
Nice.
So like usually when it comes to command strips, you're supposed to like clean the area and like I alcohol swipe it. So I'm gonna use some sanitizer. Okay, let's see if that helped. Huh, it actually worked. Okay. Where my other command strips are, so I'm gonna start going ahead and working on nailing up this silver thing. I want to get these little things off. Done. So I'm gonna nail that up, and then in my picture I wanted a cork board, but I forgot I have this big flat nice board I can put pins in, and this could be my cork board. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all that straight and ready. Y'all see how crooked this look? But I don't know what else to do, so this needs to be like risen. So I'm gonna use this styrofoam and I'm gonna like fold it, because to be honest, I need more room to when I put pins in, it's not gonna like pierce the wall. I got 2 more. I don't know how I'm doing this, y'all. I'm winging it. I'm flipping this tide. So, corner, here's it. Now for the last one. Let's get this back there. I'm gonna have to fix this. This is so tacky. Not straight. I'm okay. That's better. Calendar goes there. Where's my calendar? Now let's get another nail. Okay. Well, it's not January. Alright, well that was hectic. Okay. This is a lot. Moving on to oh, that's scaring me. Alright, so what I'm going to do actually right now is I'm going to kind of trash a lot of things, because I can't really think right now because there's just so much crap on my floor, if you guys can see. It's just way too much crap on the floor for me to actually know what to do. So I'm going to just kind of basically pick up all this trash, to be honest. I'm going to start putting all of these wrapper stuff in this elongated thing.
Nice.
So I don't have a paper towel holder, so I'm gonna make one. Basically, I have this hook that was supposed to go for a curtain, and we don't need any more curtains, so I'm gonna try to nail it like this and make a paper towel holder, and just like that. Okay. It's in either a layer of paint or some wood. Oh, it's going in. Oh, okay. See if it'll do its thing. So it has to come in, and it hooks like this. Now,
Wow.
I got the hole dispenser. Whoop whoop. All right, so I got. Oh shoot! I got some command hooks that I found that I had before. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of these up. all those times I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do with it. I'm gonna make this a trash can for me. Okay, oh, no. So I got one of these things that, you know, can help it from not doing what it's doing now. Hello? Gotta get a smaller one that's gonna fit in the hole. This one. Yeah, this should fit. Okay, it's in. It worked, did it? Woo woo. Got a trash bag. Yippity yippity doo. Oh, so tiny. To be honest, just open it like that. There we go. Trash bag. Trash can. Trash bag can. Okay, so I'm gonna do one more of this on the other side. Alright, that's one spot. Let's make the other. Alright, another trash can. Alright, so I think I'm gonna have to have another day of work. So I'm gonna see you guys day 3 tomorrow. Alright, so this is technically day 3, and so I have literally like 1 hour before I have to go do things. So I'm about to just go on crunch time. I have an hour to finish this whole studio, okay? So I can start working on this commission. So y'all gonna see the stress I'm going through right now. It's technically Friday. You'll probably see this Friday if I'm a goat, but we'll see. Alright, so I think I'm done for now. Look at this. This is a full 180. I'm gonna fix the car. But I gotta fix the car too. But this is enough space so I can actually create some work. So thank you guys for logging on. I hope you subscribe, comment, and like because I would appreciate it. And next time you see me, I will be creating some work. And it looks like people won for Mega May. So we're gonna go big. I may address some big ones. I never attempted. Well, I did attempt. I just didn't finish. But I love you guys and I will see you guys very soon. All right, bye.
Finally! I've been trying to catch you boys all day! Now that I've got you right where I want you!
Like and subscribe.
Nice.